Adjust the corpus of the device by turning the rotary knob at the rear of the CATSmart device. Switch on the CATSmart device by pressing the Start key. The monitor will power up and the startup screen will be displayed. Install the Auto Transfusion Set by pressing Install Set. Select the function Open Centrifuge Lid. You might hear the mechanisms as a confirmation and raise the centrifuge lid to the right position. Remove the packing shell from the packaging and place over the centrifuge chamber with the Auto Transfusion Set. On the right side of the CATSmart device, there are special projecting elements for the packing shell on which the packaging tray can be placed. Remove the reinfusion bag and attach to the right IV pole. Remove the waste bag and attach to the right side of the CATSmart on the hooks provided for this purpose. Remove the connection lines for the saline solution and the blood line from the packing shell and place them over the monitor arm. Remove the pump adapter with the centrifuge adapter and the washing chamber. Insert the washing chamber into the centrifuge rotator. Fit the centrifuge adapter until it clicks into place. Insert the pump adapter into the pump bed. Insert the hematocrit chamber in the chamber housing. Press the Load Pumps key and monitor the loading procedure. Close the centrifuge lid and be certain to hear a click. Hang a bag with saline on the IV pole. Connect the saline line by using the spike. Close the two white clamps of PRC bag. After set has been installed and the saline has been connected, the set is automatically primed with saline by pressing Start Priming. You may now monitor how the set is being primed.